Okay, students, now we will discuss the last topic of the unit number 7 of dual nature of radiation matter, that is the de Broglie wavelength of the electron. Now, to discuss that wavelength of the electron, we have to consider here some points, that is, let mass of the electron equal to m, the charge on the electron that is equal to E, and when the electron is accelerated by the potential difference that is V, now the energy acquired by the electron or by the particle, say it is equal to E, then the energy E will be equal to EV. This is the equation number 1. Since the electron or the particle is accelerated here, so if V is the velocity of the electron, then kinetic energy E, that is, we have to write here E, but it is equal to K, E, kinetic energy, energy of the electron in terms of velocity equal to 1 by 2 mv square. That is equation number 2. And from this equation we can find out the value of V, that is 2E multiplied by 2E upon m, and V square, so we have to write V square root of 2E upon m. That is equation number 3. So from this equation we can find out, this is the equation of the kinetic energy, V equal to 2E upon m, and this is equal to E is equal to EV. Now if you put the value of V, that is, find out here, and after that we have to write the relation for the wavelength of the electron or wavelength of the particle from the de Broglie relation. Now we know that wavelength of the particle, that is equal to h upon mv. That is equation number 3. It is according to the de Broglie relation. Now put the value of V from equation number 3 in equation number 4. Therefore wavelength of the electron equal to h upon m. V means square root, that is 2E upon m. Now simplify that equation. When we write m inside the square root, that will be equal to m square, and 1m cancel out 2m, so we will get h upon square root 2em, because 1m is cancel out to each other. When we put the m inside the square root, that will be equal to m square. So wavelength lambda equal to h upon 2em. Now from the equation number 1 we have to put the value of E, that is equal to EV, in this equation number 5. Therefore wavelength lambda equal to h upon square root 2 EV into m. That is the equation for the wavelength h upon 2 em. Now if we put the values for the electron, for electron, the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and electronic charge is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and H, Planck constant, equal to 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. When we put this value in the relation, so we will, after putting the value, we will putting and solving the values, we will get the result, that is equal to 112.27 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter divided by square root V. This relation will be find out, and if we write this relation in terms of the angstrom, the value can be written as like this. The lambda will be equal to 12.27 angstrom divided by square root V, because it is into 10 to the power minus 10 and 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power minus 10, so it will be equal to 12.27 angstrom square root V. So this is the formula for the wavelength of the electron. So we can say it is the de Broglie wavelength of the electron, lambda equal to 12.27 angstrom divided by square root V. Now it is the last article of this, and another parts of the articles deleted by the CBSE for the session 2020-21. So it is the last topic, and the unit is 7th unit, dual nature of radiations and matter. It is finished, and after that we have to start the next unit, and I hope that you have to understand these articles and expressions also. Okay, thank you very much.